It's day 3 of my moving. I'm arriving at my old storage unit, or should I still say my current, CubeSmart. Alright, so we're going to load up more stuff, 4 more boxes of these totes. If you can see a little bit, there's coffins back there, wooden coffins that I made to store fans. You'll see more of them when I get behind all the stuff, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably store these boxes, the wooden ones, on the bottoms of these. So I might stack 2 or 3 wooden ones and then 2 or 3 of these, so these won't have much, weight on them on the second story of the new place. Alright, so I'm gonna get to work. Okay, I'm back and it's day 4. I didn't film last night when I dropped the stuff off, but I'm starting to make a little progress, I think. There's the coffins right there that I made. So I'm going to take more of these totes and then we'll see what it looks like after. Back and it's day 5 and we've got all of this section out. So now you can see more of the coffins that I built. They go all the way up about 7 feet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coffins. So we're going to have to put those around on the floor on the second story of the new place first. Or on the bottom, I meant. Stack probably 2 per row and then 2 or 3 of those on top. I think that'll work out great because I can still keep the fans packed and wrapped up in the heat, because that'll probably, the moisture won't get in, and I don't have to worry about getting the air conditioning ASAP. And I'll probably have room to inquire more fans, but I'm still going to be very picky on what I get. So let me get to work and I will check in when there's another update. Okay, we have come to the end of day 5 and I've gotten a lot of stuff upstairs that we brought over to this unit, this new unit. I was looking over here in this other unit and they have insulation on the ceiling above. You can see it looks like it's some kind of spray-on type. It's even coming through up there. I'll show you. It's coming through right there. If I get this insulated like that means I probably won't be able to hang fans on the rafters. Or maybe I can another way. I don't know. I got this high velocity baton fan. It really makes a difference up here, I tell you. And here's all the progress work I've gotten here. It's coming along really good, I think. Once I get those coffin bins here that I made. I'm probably gonna put those, stack those 2s all the way around and then stack these as 3s. So it'll probably go up close to the rafters. Let's see what we have here in each box, each tote. That one's wrong. I actually have fans in that one now, complete fans. I just haven't labeled it, relabeled it. Some of them don't have anything on them. I don't know how well you can see. I also did a trade with Mark Welker today. I traded one of my API CECs for this new Inbox SMC slash Fanco, or Fanco slash SMC model M36. And I also got my SMC Hunter Original copy. I can't think of Fantique or something like that. I can't think of the name right off my head. I might be right, I might be wrong too, but got that. So I'm pretty happy. So there you have it. The progress. Day 5 coming to an end at 10 o'clock, 10:30 at night almost. Thanks for watching.